Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to edit contact page in Shopify. So it's pretty simple. So right here we are in Shopify Help Center to help us on how to do it. So the first thing it states right here is going to settings and domains. So settings right here, and then you will have to locate your domain. From locating domain, it says right here, you'll have to click for your domain settings and edit the contact information. So once you're in domain right here, you want to click in the actual domain settings. So I don't have a domain, so it won't show the settings right here because I don't own one. But if you own one, you can do so. So you can also get your Shopify for 3 months in the description below for $1. And it's really that simple. So from there, clicking your domain settings, you can edit your contact information. So editing the contact information will actually offer a who is privacy, but that's optional. Then you will either make your information private or public from there and then save it. So it's going to check the email that's associated with the domain for a confirmation email. The email will vary from your actual information that you have edited. So you will click a link and follow the instructions that are provided to accept your information changes, and there you go. You'll be able to change your contact page right here in Shopify, and it's really simple. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.